Ready?
I'm ready. We just moved this tree from another room. It's decorated. Great idea.
So
Tell us.
I did. This is the first time I've ever done this. I stored my tree in an extra bedroom. We have 5 bedrooms in this house. So one room is like a storage room because we don't like to keep things in the attic. We don't like to keep things in the basement. So do you have an extra little spot that you could store your tree? It's already put together and it already has decorations. We got to fluff some things up. Some things fell off, but we're going to show you how easy it is to store your tree.
Hey, so she tells me she's lifting this up on that block back there.
Yep.
We're going to try it.
We're going to go real low. We're going to put a little tree skirt underneath it just to hide all the stuff.
Tree skirt with the fur, and the whole world was looking at her. Ornaments hit the floor, and she went low, 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 low.
Those ornaments fell off, so we're going to put those back on. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey!
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. On the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha, ha, ha. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. Oh, fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Got something else she wants to put up here.
Oh, God! Oh, that's heavy.
Woo! That is heavy. This is what we're going to replace the candelabra with. So I was shopping and found this at Burlington. Sent Linette a pic and said, what do you think about this? She's like, I have the perfect spot for it. So she wants to put it above here. Now, I'm not sure where she wants it, but we're going to see.
Well, I want to see.
Start on the first ledge.
That looks pretty. I wonder
You
if
want
it would.
Higher, don't you?
I do. I want it to be like up in the black.
Ah.
Yes, that's exact. Will it stay?
Centered? I think it'll stay.
Let's see. Yes, I think that's
I
centered.
don't think it's going anywhere.
Love
it's centered
it.
on the first try?
Yes. Woo. Okay, so we're gonna do garland on my fireplace. And Nikki had the best idea to go high. I have never went on the high section, so I think I'm gonna do that. And I wanna show you guys how to do this. So I'm taking my garland and I tied 2 things of twine, and then I'm putting a knot here, and then we'll put the tape going across right in front of the knot. Okay? I sort of like it dangling a little.
You gonna hold it?
Yeah, you can hold that.
Interesting.
Yeah. Maybe
A little looser.
Maybe I'll tape that part right there. So we got our first little layer of greenery. And then I think what I want to do is now put another piece of greenery up top just to kind of fill in some more spaces. And then this gives it another little texture to it. We're just going to lay it right like
Should
that.
we just lay that there?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I like that. Let's do the lights and then I'll add the picks in at the end.
All right. Just hand you one.
Let me do the strand, Nick. Okay, so we have this strand of lights.
They're just battery and on a timer. We decided to put some color up here. We tried white, it didn't do much. We tried the candle lights, didn't do a lot, but we like red bulbs up there. So I'm just gonna I put a hook on here. I'm just gonna kind of sit it up here, but I'm gonna hook it just so it doesn't roll away, or I don't know, just to be safe. I'm just gonna hook it to the greenery a little bit, just so it sticks in those spots. I'm just gonna randomly place these up there and see how it looks, and then add more or take away, whatever we need to do.
Looking really pretty from here.
We just put a few on and we're gonna go from there and see what we need. And these are glass, so beware because
yeah, these are technically antique.
Oh gosh, she's letting me handle them, which is iffy because I'm a little klutzy most of the time.
Ooh, I'm liking it though. It just needed a little pop.
A little pop of color. Evenly, but trying to make it a little evenish. Over here.
Yep, kind of in that corner, dingling a little.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and then one on the other corner.
Yeah,
Is that
I
enough?
think so. Yeah. Looking really pretty.
Okay.
Okay, and then these I love. I bought these at the Scott's Antique Mall.
They're very antique-y.
Yeah, let me see if I can get close because you
They're
can
glass.
see all the little
Crackled, speckled glass.
I don't know if the camera's showing, but it's so pretty.
They're very pretty. I am
Nervous.
a little nervous, but I'll try to hold tight. I broke a bulb before we started this. Not one of these, but so. And I think you want these just kind of.
I think dangling kind of long.
Okay, so I'm gonna put one in the middle first. Maybe?
Yeah, I think so. Oh yeah.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We're gonna wrap this pole.
I'm gonna make it look like a candy cane.
Just gonna take a piece of tape the back of it.
Well, I think this is turning out really pretty, you guys. I want to add this little sign that I always put in the same spot. Oh, and it says the North Pole.
Ah, beautiful.
Okay, let's add another tree. Whoa, that looks pretty. And we added a little soldier hat to the tree.
Okay.
All right. we're going a little extreme because that's just the way we do things around here, you guys. I got this cute sled at a little antique mall, and I was like, I want that sled, and then I was like, no, I don't need it. And I've used this sled so much, and I'm so glad. Steve was like, just get it. So
I love it.
So what I want to do is I have the sled, and then look at this antique horse that Steve got me last year.
That is precious.
And I have these bells, and these are from Steve's grandfather. So, and he gave them to Steve's dad. And when Steve's dad passed away, we got them. So, kind of special.
Those bells was Steve's grandpa Santa?
No, but
They sure look legit.
They're legit.
They're legit.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So what I thought was we're gonna take this pillow out. We're gonna put the bells in here. And I don't think we need that much. So I just want to be able to sort of, you know, make it look like this horse is carrying that sled. So we attached the bells. And
They look great.
yeah, I think the sled might need some presents. Woo! Need another one, Nick?
Yeah.
That one matches your sweater.
We can just kind of, there's no right or wrong here, guys. We're
Yep.
just going to sit them in here and see how it looks.
Yeah. How about a little gingerbread man? It could be the toy hanging out the back of it.
Okay.
Picture
Put it
tag.
in there. A tag in there.
Yep.
And then we have this wood box.
I like that. That's
We're
beautiful.
not going to throw this guy because he'll probably break something. Get him
Ooh, that looks good.
like that.
Yeah, we just needed to see, you need 3. I feel like you need 3 presents. So
Okay. Is that good?
I love it. Let's get a little close up of it.
Santa's sled is ready to deliver some presents.
Oh my goodness. I love that horse carrying that sled.
Is that Santa's chair?
It's Santa's chair. Santa needs a throw. Woo! Yeah. Okay. So we have just a white throw, you guys. We can put that over here on this way.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't think I normally flip it over, but this one's not very long, so I'm gonna just kind of do that little thing. And then a pillow. Oh, that's a big one.
That is a big one.
But Santa needs a big pillow. And then one more pillow maybe. And we're done with the tree.
Okay, so I saw this somewhere and it had snowflakes inside, but we couldn't find any snowflakes. But I found these little trees that she had, and I thought, let me just try this in this lampshade. And guess what? It
Wow.
works.
That is
I'm just
amazing.
taking a piece of tape and just sticking it in here and taping it to the inside of the shade, and it's showing the shape on the outside. And again, I don't think there's any right or wrong. I think you can just stick them in. I can't tell if that's straight, but
Yeah, it looks good.
we'll fix that later. Yeah, easy peasy. So anything you have that's flat that you might want a reflection of from the shade should work, I think. That look right?
Yes, it looks so good.
Okay, I'll put
Like-
one over here.
I don't know if you realize how good this looks.
I probably don't, but I was just curious to see if it really did work.
Now, are you taping that? You're not doing like a roll on the back of it. You're just taping it?
Just taping it.
Because you don't see the tape. That's interesting
Yeah,
to
I'm
me.
just taping. Oh, that is interesting. The reflection of the tape doesn't show.
Uh-huh.
No, I'm just taping it across the back to flatten them out so that they go up against the shade.
Well, my goodness, Nick.
That's it. Is that it?
Yes, that's it, because I don't love my lamps to be not Christmassy. Is that a weird thing?
Well, that is quite, I love that.
It's gorgeous. Look at so pretty.
That's really creative. I'm so glad I saw that somewhere.
Yeah.
Love it. Awesome. We couldn't stop with just the trees. We thought maybe it needed a little more something. And as we're sitting here talking about these trees in this lampshade, the options here are endless because you can do hearts at Valentine's Day. Snowflakes would look really cute. I think that's the first one I saw. Snowflakes. You can do candy canes. You can do stars. You can do, anything that's flat, stick it in your lampshade and see how it looks. It might just look adorable.
Stars would be cute.
Stars would be really cute for like a kid's room or...
It could be an everyday thing.
Yeah, it could be an everyday thing. It doesn't have to be the holidays. Hearts. What else we have? Shamrocks for St. Patrick's Day. But I think it just adds a little something to the lampshade. How's that look with the ribbon?
I love it.
There we go. Add a little more.
It just needed it.
It needs a little something. But, just get creative with it. Just keep staring at it till it gets right.
I love it.
So we decided it wasn't quite enough. So we're adding a little red ribbon to make it look like a candy cane. I don't know. We don't know. We'll see how it looks once it's done. It might be a little much, but all you can do is try.
But Christmas is the time to be a little much.
You're right. If you're going to be much, go all Christmas, all out. That's coming from somebody who has a tree on her head and a bow on her sweater. So, I like to go for it. Okay, what do we think about that?
I think it's cute.
Does it need to be a little tighter?
Yeah, maybe a little. And then, push it up a little and make a couple more. Yeah, right, like that. Ooh, yeah.
Well, thank you guys for following us today as we decorated my tree in the living room. I think they turned out really cute. What do you think, Nick?
They're done. They look amazing. The red is a real popper. And I forgot my tree topper. I'm gonna put it on.
So you go find a tree topper for your head. And what are they going to do?
Go find
your passion
today. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.